The territorial security solution developed by ENKI, catered both for governments wishing to strengthen the security of countries, but also for private companies wishing to improve their security. It offers a complete surveillance of the territory or sensitive areas, preventing any malicious intrusion, which allows to establish a strong territorial sovereignty. The combination of the AI engine and state-of-the-art hardware, beacons, balloon drones, and drones, offers a complete and meticulous grid, allowing targeted and surgical preventive as well as corrective actions. In addition, the solution has been developed to be an intelligent development environment, which allows non-expert users in BI, AI and coding to use and configure it in an intuitive way. We start the supervisor. The home page gives us an overview of the crucial elements, alarms, action plans, and beacons. In our example, we have 2 beacons located at 2 strategic places in Riyadh, SBKHO and SBKSE. When you click on a beacon, a window appears, displaying the alarms, the events and the components of the beacon. In the devices part, we find all the elements composing the beacon, from the simple sensor, to the drones and the cameras. This allows a quick maintenance of the beacons, by knowing directly the installed equipments. In this demo, we will present 3 different use cases: an enemy intrusion, the passage of an allied vehicle, and a doubt followed by its removal. When browsing the supervisor, an alarm appears at the top right of the screen. It is also displayed on the map, with the change of the beacon's color from green to red, but also in the alarm tab of the main screen. By clicking on the alarm, the supervisor presents us its details. We have the name and type of the alarm, but especially the ID and GPS coordinates of the beacon that launched the alarm. Finally, we can also visualize the photo of the intruders. In our case, we have a commando of 4 pickups getting ready to penetrate the territory. Once the alarm is confirmed, we go directly to the action plan associated and specific to this alarm. An action plan is composed of phases and steps, specific to the type of alarm. The transition from one step to another can be done manually or automatically, depending on its nature. A specific color code allows to follow the progress of the action plan. Green equals completed, yellow equals in progress, red equals not started. Once the action plan is closed, the beacon on the map returns to its original color of green. The second use case to demonstrate is the doubt with its removal. The supervisor starts by informing us of a doubt type event at the top right of the screen. To ensure the intrusion, a drone takes off autonomously and approaches the target to take a picture. This is possible thanks to the connection and communication between our beacons, the engine and the IoT boxes. Here, thanks to the drone's intervention, the system announces that the event is indeed an alarm. The alarm process seen previously is therefore restarted. We also have the possibility to observe the previous event, the doubt. We noticed that the photo of the same vehicle, but with another angle, was taken by the camera of the beacon. Here, the confirmation of doubt and alarm will allow the system to learn. Indeed, the next time, the system will skip the doubt phase, and will directly launch the alarm for this vehicle. Finally, a border is subject to regular patrols. These friendly detections are registered by the system, but do not appear as alarms in order not to pollute the operator with useless information, thus avoiding his deconcentration. They are visible at any time in the Event tab, along with their photo. We also note the same confirmation methodology, in order to train the machine learning. The supervisor also offers the possibility to visualize the KPIs defined on the different strata. This architecture stems from our methodology, offering a strategic alignment between the strategic stratum, the business unit stratum and the operational stratum. The KPIs are always structured in the following way: results, know-how and means, allowing to obtain a global and precise vision. This is possible thanks to the construction of the model on the engine. As explained at the beginning, the engine allows you to perform all the necessary configuration for the proper functioning of the solution with just a few mouse clicks. The administration part allows you to manage all the elements related to users, such as adding a new user, creating a group, granting rights, etc. It also allows the configuration of alarms and associated action plans, as we have observed on the supervisor. Finally, you can configure the elements related to licenses, schedulers, databases, etc. The second part of the engine, ML Toolbox, allows in the case of territorial security to configure the elements related to beacons. As you can see on the screen, it is very easy to add a component, delete a component or modify a component. The entire ENKI team thanks you for your attention. We are at your disposal for any further information.